I will instruct you. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Psalm 32, verse 8.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. A Knowing Eye was written by Matt Lucas and read by Wes Ward.
Psalm 32, verses 1 through 5 and 9 through 11. Blessed is the one whose transgressions are forgiven, whose sins are covered. Blessed is the one whose sin the Lord does not count against them, and in whose spirit is no deceit. When I kept silent, my bones wasted away through my groaning all day long. For day and night your hand was heavy on me. My strength was sapped as in the heat of summer. Then I acknowledged my sin to you and did not cover up my iniquity. I said, I will confess my transgressions to the Lord, and you forgave the guilt of my sin. Do not be like the horse or the mule, which have no understanding, but must be controlled by bit and bridle, or they will not come to you. Many are the woes of the wicked, but the Lord's unfailing love surrounds the one who trusts in him. Rejoice in the Lord and be glad, you righteous. Sing, all you who are upright in heart. A Knowing Eye, written by Matt Lucas. Jason and Pierre had worked together for a decade putting siding on houses. They were good friends, but neither was talkative. As they worked, they said hardly a word. Yet they knew each other so well that this was seldom a problem. The two could rely on the mere nod of a head or glance of the eyes to communicate. Small gestures spoke volumes. Psalm 32 evokes this level of familiarity between God and the psalmist. One version renders verse 8 this way, I will guide you with my eye. God isn't looking from afar. He's a loving father working in partnership with his child. While the psalm begins with confession of sin, the focus is not on punishment, but on loving redirection as God teaches his child the right path. The other option is to be like the horse or the mule, which must be controlled by bit or bridle, or they will not come to you. The picture is of willful defiance and ignorance of God's way. As believers in Jesus, we are to develop a deep intimacy with God, so we're in tune with his gentle gestures. One way we develop this intimacy is through reading the scriptures. This helps us keep in step with the Spirit, so we'll love what God loves. Then we can rejoice in the Lord and be glad. Let's pray. Dear Father, thank you for not only knowing us intimately, but also asking us to partner with you as you advance your kingdom. And it's in Jesus' name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. In what ways has your spiritual life perhaps become mere ritual? How do you develop intimacy with God as you read and reflect on the scriptures?
Akangku makmal lungir rahil deliasay, en vitta betokol ava kora beota rendir, el mga kanggum, rendir en dia kangarangal langar kanggum, el kire lahil dertir. E dia kalodengay, akangku mamal beota ngudel ngiliasay, en beotel kal, en ving mal kloar li rahil deraad, el blool mga kanggum. Ay kakita ay kiel bebir ay kiel klunyole la kanggum, alonga ava kanggum el kire lahil derengi. Makot akang gumat toroba te elela seer ra alsela ngurd el domogdongor ngir mo arteriosclerosis sel tingt alsela ngurd ra laog et yak mal maknit tek mal kengaol lel tingt alsela ngurd ra laog raad et yaw ulen sab el hart atakaad mal uben stroke. Ongerul klungyole la kanggum, akangkum amanggi kadete elelaad, el mga kanggum, el mosme ras arela high blood. Malube others may high blood along a kangkum in sabiel nga high blood ring ilmolyo. Lakam high blood roreng sa tialuloklat ke ebobl oil mga kangkum. Ngidi lakal marol o dimem. Nga luulaw ngil heldara ospital maklaad. Dia kalungil do ngam arol lultimo krangalaka arangalaka dingalaka ikado maksaortin mga paral molok ngakla te elela maklol se el mortid aloran mo maklol at ong edel kunyolela kangkum akangkum manggire te elela at el mom itu uta iwsela badangel ang keltial se era osteoporosis o mga lela kangkum asabiel mo ko gilsmisi ay iwasela batangela aruba ka mamaas el mga kangkum mangivil at ruba ka marmaas sel loral mo maklol at maiwasir mang marail mo ituut mo mga lela kangkum amos sabiel mo sustriar aramas marubak marmaktol ad marangal en mo misisi ay iwasela batangir aw lubong tunyo lela kangkum o mga lela kangkum manggigadet te lela ad en mosme el sukal akangkuma akar el kal akangkuma akar el kal el martekta ad el mga kangkum en sabiel lang aringi ar lirahel daringi rakla aringi kangkuma korabiot tar ngudringil kal ninding malungir rahel ebiot adorur rangi makot akangkuma sabiel lodoy maluben salad lobang kelangi dirkan jume maluben mit malubeng malga malubeng nikel direkal sab emel maltilo pang kela malga maporga mabif direk kangkumak malungilo pang kelawas o morulawas al malga malubeng nikel malubeng mit boblo oil da kala kangkum la aodimiu aulobong la akangkumak malungilo pang kelastek kangkum stek ak malungil al sel erul 2 weeks mo o sila tal Sunday, eguk mo nga kangkum steak, ang malungir rahel drakaw. Pablo oil mga kangkum, mare edaralel, ek malungir rahel dalyasay, mangkorapyot tar ngutringir kal, ek malkloarali, rahel darigid. Katmal masaul, ablor sabi emlo reng setial gade emlo lakrat, el kirelak nung yolela, o mga lela kangkum.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. This is a public notice from the Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply chemistry analyzer Vitro's XT7600 reagents for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after January 22nd, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang Palauan, Chief of Property and Supply Division at the address noted. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is funded by Local Account Hospital Trust Fund and U.S. federal grants. Invitation for bid number IFB 06-26. Public notice is January 7th, 2026 to January 22nd, 2026. Bidding period is January 23rd, 2026 to February 9th, 2026. Opening date is February 11th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on February 9th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
Notice regarding land known as Uelbadel, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Palilu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 032R17, as shown on cadastral plat number 032R00. Notice is hereby given that the children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Yasko Rudim who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than February 13, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Su del Girela Utumen Clela Uelvedel, El Ngarangasias Rablurablilio, El Cadastral Lot Number 032R17, Asubdamura Wild Kmo children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, Amnaruli until met Moltov the certificate of title Girel Tiam Namsadra Babel Utuma, El Mora Palau National Government. Ababier el Girel Teloy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, Angaringir Obisra Len Gort, El Sebelangidil Adel Mo Mesringi, Al Tsum Mangaryang Al Gela Yasko Rudim, El Soalam Togor Teloy de la Utuma, Ekmal Girel File or Tangel El Mor Obisra Len Gort, El Diabol Meudra February 13, 2026. Level Meudra Tial Time en Sabel Selul Tangel Modigalorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdra Godal. Tigadebel Subdra Godal, Tobdang Yaksaw no Saraimul, some long Tatginamungur, Rami Joshua Abradong, other day Grispil Termetet, Ibao Hasinto Asanuma, Yadro Adlomri Sao Pauso, Mudlong Salvador Telams, Adelbau El Sur Dialul, Tormel Running in Ariang, Adelbelu Galisto Joseph, Ragamsik Surang Whips, Rabal Tagawang Mogur, my other Telbang Charles Obiang, El Morarugul Adril Ngarang Ayang, El Babel Dab, Orior Mayol Dab, El Motargid and Algedra Helgang Oime Sharp. Amnosmer Amandel January 5, 2026, Mabdingel ang Aramor, Emlamotrok, mga Maldira, January 23, 2026. Madimo Modingel Bekla de Dimongira Klo, Gomaka El Subo del Dimomra Rula, Komal Musulang, Yerubakal Dios Longidrowi. Sign, Aksaw no Asaraimul, other day Grispil Termetet, to Ormel running in Ariang, Mother Blue Galisto Joseph. Subdra Godal. Tia Subdra Godal ol tobdringa alo Jackson Aringirangas, Mangalil Alex Aringirangas, Dil Sapsis Anitang Irangas Igertang, Idabay ol Sing Igar, Bingkalang Ulas, Kadwin Ito, Legislator Umdi Bridev, Alen Susugin, Subdra Rokul Adra Gablira Alsaw, Madgaw Adal Ngarababal Dawab, Orior Mayol Dawab, Matargid Rabuik Pelau, Bong Irangasil, Amlokong Muramalul Guller, Sera December 19, 2025. Abadingil Karubak ang Ramorgia Kamaldi, Eldado, Amlamotrok, Kolma Friday, January 16, 2026. El Dimorina Santos por half funeral home el Mosuel, Bemotob del Modak Rangaptur, Rosar, Rablu Ray. Malwaisa Subda Mararokul Ngal, Regel Tulungal, Ragablir Alsaw, Malo at Jackson Ngirangas, Amasub Dragaul Manglil Alex Ngirangas, Madil Aboil Helen Ngirangas O'Neill, Mosub Dragul Ngal, Tulungal Aboil, Mogom Coltmokla, El Girel Telgamaldil, El Dadur, Targid, Rabik Pelau, Bongirangsil. Asub da diri Marakul Ngal, Tulungal Tamagong, Mabom Coltmok Lemeim, the Alim, and Rangisur Telgamaldil, El Dadur, Targid, Rabik Pelau, Bongirangsil. Mangan nga ngalgel amne dil sapsis kalbid rideb, kaspaso de may nakaingesew. Mangalgel amne dil sapsis gadalad ito, rangalgel amle low amal iyang rideb, rangalgel amle mangalil ngirangalit la rideb, rangalgel asiway rideb, rangalgila dalbot ba kabol, marangalgila dilboy susugi. Kaspaso de may beklaad, madaalim de sa telgamaldi le dadu rangal targid rabuik pelaw bung irasil. Dios isulsub da mararukul ngal karatlungal rawel rakablir alsaw pamkas pasub da may mdali midakaing sew ulkut makli tial kamaldil el dadu rabik pelaw bung irangsil el mlokodong rarubak al marakamang lulungul manganya binggalang ulas marbibirgaw let's later umdib ridep maidalad erigomal iyang marbibirgamiw kelly ridep marbibirgaw chenis ridep marbibirgaw oliong iraingastew marbibirgaw irbay olsing igar marbibirgaw alen susugi marbibirgaw kas pasub da rogul ngal rawel emeim desa tial kamaldi el dadu ngal targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil morawulwanglo ngalong agim subra ibdurale Robert Tutim ebirale Maria Rora mosubra adad marangal rale meim da ali medakaing seol mesatil kamaldil el dadu ora targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil ngaram nungwe agim subra ngida dilub at tami irmang saw junior mau elbi lilolang ramang saw mosubra adad marangal ge meim da ali medakaing seol tel kamaldil el dadu ora targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil ngat pangagim subra amanya amsyol marbibir gaw meim dakaing seol ni wala gyol turgal o dal adruyos modestang rasway malemea warriors eliot uduy mingmaing sew agidri galol turgal bebi rarut ngirmang malemea mingmaing sew mesat tial gamaldi le dadu ora targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil moraw lubong agidri gam subda ngal gila sisuwer ngam singra ngir blei isak sakurai ngira sogos cherom sakurai anselma sakurai chila ngam sing madominic ramsik mail beklad madali midang sew mesat tial gamaldi le dadu ora ngal targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil moraw lubong Dios isul sub da mara mercy James may go marangal game madalim da kaing isew. Togobet sil sub da marangal game lam nedil u ermang ngirios mangarnya ang skasuk Abraham ngirios mo sub da bebir ga may madalim da kaing isew. Al sumet ngarnya mlo de al dong clear ti al sub de la gabal kitarang miu e may da kaing isew ti al bulo. Komal masauli a Dios lum kal tanga tergidro gui rabe kalsils. Sain lo Jackson ngirangas. O si sulsub dragodal al top de ngir blay isak sakura mangina sogos cherom sakura el gile lagamal dile la targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil ngal targid am los mer sir ongim lurior Friday December 19 2025 mabangin lang amor kaya teme lagamal dile lam lamotrok lang motob ongim lurior Friday el ngia January 16 2026 la funeral home in chapel e mga maldil moswel matedob at 12:30 PM e mamadak krang aptur ng rosar rablu rairay Makilingit tarbek kaladama may makaing esel gut makli tial ulbong al tsungul ngal targid rabuik pelaw bung irangsil el dibusira dalongalet. Magim subdara adamam nakabli rangar madalyang makmasubdara at pos malwatelay Miss Antonio Bell sa alidadong Pedro Mereb atawa Branstelay Mother Olo Vice President Arnold Oilo Ebilt at pos Vicenta Galu ma dil sa Miss Susana Matsuoka. Mosub darbek ladad marangal game mosomam retial ulbong al sil sirangal targid rabuik pelaw bung inangasil. O si suls pedelang ineblay isak sakura ma inasokos chirom sakuray. Amor oda raybay Harrington Olebu iadar apsang Steven Ganay ong elol Salvador Mot resyong may nginamdalabay Hari Bisep si marangal gila sanang silmay. Mosub darbek ladad marangal game inangisew retial kamal dilel ngal targid rabuik pelaw bung inangasil. Usisul subdra godal el mar adamam rabarrak magim subdra gauli budura barrak Florencio Yamada mo subdra ada de mei mo sugma martial bul usisul subdra godal la mar adamam ragabli ragid magim subdra ngiragid el choginamur madir ragid el martaginamur no subdra bek ada de mei ngin sel gut mokla el tialul mong el sungul ngal targid rabik pelaw bung nginasil O si Jules Pedel ang ineblay isak sakura, mangina sakos Jerome Sakuray, amurar marga Tamir Mangsaw Jr., musubra bek kaladadra tolong eme nakaing isew, ulkutmok la, el tialul lulbong el sungul ngal tarigid. Ako si Jules Pedel ang ineblay isak sakura, mangina sakos Jerome Sakuray, amurar ngalgil amnedil sepsis omgadalat ito, matulik, obak ramyun silchak kingsang, musubra bek kaladagaw adal marangal eme nakaing isew tel kamaldil. O si Jules subra kadalil abuik pelaw bong irang sila amuradil tap Carmen Gip, marangalgil ang ngirut Odal ada Gimi Anderson marbibiringi, Marcela Santos, Ngiramuay Adelino Santos, rangal gawi Marudi Aitaro. Iliak pada marangal karablan Amrigel ngirirs, subdar kaol ngikleb albons kumangay, turang maad laligi bons, madabdeb ko France, maltalat kabulwong. Mosubdar adadar ngirirs, mosukma martial ulubong sungungal targid, rabuik pelaw bunginangasil. O si Jules Pedel ang ineblay isak sakura, mangilasokos Jerome Sakuray, amortigal bebir kamame o lingit, may imdakang iseor, tilakamaldili labuik pelaw bunginangasil. Magim sobdar ngalgel events kabukol, rodosomel Tony Adalbay mangalgel, Yuchin kabukol marbibiringi, maaldukul kabukol marbibiringi. May imda kayo nga siyor tilol bongol sil sirang kaltargid al dibusira ng let. Klam nga tila subda uul matrigil at mamam no di kalandong clear agyolingit malakabal makitarang miu. May imda kayo nga siyor kut makli tilol bongol al sungul kaltargid rabuik pelaw bong irang sil. Yabola kat sab mek maldingil pasul edit kalat karang lungu. O mal masulang nga rubak kal Dios lol mol mlamukal tangatargid rokoy. Sa na ngilasokos Jerome Sakuray. Maosisulsud rakamaldila lotto dringa adro roy bostor ramliga adri bukol kyoni sa almas kusuk Abraham Girios el musudra rogul adril nga rababaldab orior meyoldab rakamaldila labong ngirangasil lamot roko kolmorngi aturi melon mulapsingila hotel buila ra ongi mulurior January 16, 2026 Tial kamaldila di maringina Santos Borja Funeral Home nga ngat kibrayray. Mangdi kamaldili al dadu radio sisul sils. Matriga robak malol ngitra rogul adril malgas pasub del gidel tial masang. Ato kobet sel subda maratulungal romisal belilyo mangayaw rakabli rakargur rablu rablilyo. Madaw mal masulang yedo sulolmon labanggede lumakaltanga tergid rabekal sils. Sain adar koroy postor ramlig ngas kasuk Abraham Girios may adribu kol kyoni saal. Tia subra kodal lolto dringa oligong Lucio Hidemi, risong Denis Rangul matalto kawi, el murarangal kamar adra kabli rabadal rablurang rusar ray. Rasa arela buik pelaw buik babungi rasil, abdingil ngal ruba ang ramor game lamot rokok la kamaldili el dado el morngina Friday January 16, 2026, el di morngina Santos Borja Chapel en Funeral Home nga natkib rablu ray. Mga maldin mo suel betob del mamadak rangaptu rang rusar ray. Bakim subra rogul edmam marangal kakabli na badal, may imdaalim na kayong sir tel mamulbong at sungulang karubak. Mga rusara kim subra adil malaala, rose musubra, musubra at marangal badal, ertial albula. Agidrikal musubra adil oligong Terry aledo nginaingas marangalgel, Siska aledo Alfonso marangalgel, Y Hidemi marangalgel, Madoris aledo marangalgel, marangalgel la agigobwang, masubra rangal ngertimig ertial albula. Agidrikal musubra ebirisong Scott alto marangalgel ertial albula. Agidrikal musubra rangalgel akawit alto era Captain Arvin Raymond, musubra ebir kami may imdakangisi ertial albula. Agidrikal musubra kal tal alba ngiratebal marangalgel may imdakangisi ertial albula. Ram lunguy ndrikal sisil subra kodale el dado agim subra rungu rabrem oitrong maro bati yalap musubra at marangal karakabli raselaw may mosokmam. Maklo atret mabola kal sab MLMay edit kalat kang lungu. Yarubak kal Dios lo bangedel rabek kal silse. Tias pedila kamaldili al dado rabuik pelaw bung ngirangsil el morngina January 16, 2025 el morngina Santos Borja Chapel and Funeral Home el ngarablur ngat kibrayray. Komal msulang ya Dios lo bangedel rokuy. Sain oligong Lucio Hidemi. Tia subra kodal tol dringa runguram owang al William ngiray galaw mas pasungol masawedor al kumawik pelaw bung ngirangasil ang algilatal dil mangasil amlos me ersera December 19, 2025. Lamot rokok kulmarnya kamaldile la January 16, 2026. Di maringina Funeral Home nga natkib rablu ray ra 9 AM mo 12:30 PM eto del mamadak rangaptu rablu ray. Magim sudra at mamregal blue kumamay makayong sirtel albuno. Mangaram lungway gim sudra sisinya ngiray galaw, Rosania ngiray galaw, Kolbas ngiray galaw, Yolsaw ngiray galaw, Samil Bio, Itwang Ongos, Gloria ngiray galaw Rumaruy, Mamatsuda ngiray galaw. Aktidirikam subra Jackson ngir ongor maurig itpig. Edirikam subra dilyaw France oleaw. Inam kati France marangal gelang ito France dewi. Ilkumam kaspuso de mem nakang sirtel albula. Nga karunguram awang William ngiray galaw mas pusung masawedor. Am subra rangal gel of Kyota. Ilkumam kaspuso de kami marangal gil mem nakang sirtel albula. Aktidirikam subra ilong uduil. Ilkumam subra rangal gem marangal gil mem nakang sirtel albula. Aktidirikam subra rangal gelayo si itpig mem nakang sew. Aktidirikal musudras kang matchesi modeth marbebil kamiu may makingisiw. Aktidirikal musudras ngalgila ya masagiringila malmay mga sukara kartial kamaldile lang algila taldil rabong ngirangasil. Aktidirikal musudras ngurabre malkmumosudras ngalkarasela may makingisiw. Ibaba ka kimsudra losi ol karilyaw may makingisiw tial bul. Ay maliga kimsudra ngulbay madir ngulbay sariyang bat ka rangel Simon Derbay. Elith susugi rangol adir rangel tina alwel senanya mamis Hailey iri Matilde iri Isak. Masubra adat marangal gamay makang isir ti albula. Ay rayak masubra ay adat tulwang Simeon Oberdong, ebiledil katsuwe Oberdong, toyo ko singeo, rumi singeo raklay, mawilchas shalom et pisong. Masubra rokul adat marangal gedra, ise may makang isir ti albula. Aktirikal masubra yo altoribyong, maodal rahelen moded, masubra bibir kami may makang isir ti albula. Agidrikal masubra harwa wilter, ertial albula. Oriore yak masubra tirgal admam ngania adar mai eliayob o elbir raqom resena azuma rangalgela erigayob may makangisew senator rukbay kikuo inabo masubra bir qaw may makangisew rangalgela anatanyo kikuo may makangisew Dil mala Rose Masud, Remus ngirmaat, Ramona inalul, Maluis ngirmaat, Muns Orior, ngakal spasungul masawo bedor amsud, Rangalgila ay bins, Rangalgila olblay bins, Rangalgila bedor bins, Marangalgila sarmidal bins. Bosubra bibir kami marangalgila may nakaingisir ti albul. Paliliwak masubra balang ulang wong mabalitang yu itsingewo, masubra ngalgila may nakaingisir ti albul. Yatong kapat sa spadek nga kanungura mawang William Miragalaw, amurar at mamratula de dalil at kumain na ang masukmam, artel kamaldili latar gidraboy pelaw pong irangasil, madakumal masulang, ikmal bato nga masang, material at mamam no di akal sabi ilme, akmal di mungil basul, edit kalat karang lungu. Ya Dios lom kaltanga tergidarokoy. Sain arungura mawang William Miragalaw. Tiasudro Octobre nga rangem Sebastian Andreas, Delegat Sebastian Marino, ngir Oteot Eliaya, yat spunstakada, mangir bangal la Benjamin Adelbay. El musubdro kamil kaw adal ngalgila de dalil, nga regal balur babaldab, orior mayoldab, rakamaldili labuik pelaw bong ngirangsil. Mlamosme rakamaldil maaldado adi morngira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarngat kip Hamlet rablu ray, January 16, 2026, el Friday long imlurior. Makamaldil omur at 2:09 am el motelial sil sa 12:30 p.m. Piabdingin at top de emomadak rangat tu el ngarang rusar rablugrayray. Agik malulungit el kumamay mbodadag edang suturi rangaligel marbebir rangi tel kamaldil el maaldadu. Ndiya kangaliok maalol magardi mokult mokol gilil kamaldil maaldadu. Mangalong agim subra siskable so oklol ad marangalgem. Rangalgil amni adalbara kayo ngalngir amat rolir adwait ngir amat maodam ra uldak ngir amat nginam tukur marbebir kamiu. Rangalgel marbebir amleng na ureg da Tobias Akwan mosub kaspasub de meim da kangisir tel albula. Mangiwala gim subra eldix no ay doong kaspasub lo ad. Ibluk truman ngirmang molingit rang nges subrangal karaw espay sereng tulob wasisang marudam ra Justino Masaksay ma antiro boysek smi Juana Nestor marbibinakaw ngas pasub de main da kangisir tel albula. Ngesara gim subra rangalgela makarti kortaro meluis ngirmaat kaspasub de main da kangisir tel albula. Ay ragim subra rangalgela ngiriklang triyong sa awas makayong kaspasub de main da kangisir tel albula. Rangalgil adaladra ira alsali adalbay mgas pasudlo ademay makaing seorti albulo. Rangalgil amleng ginaged romat matul raro rat agi mluert matul mar iwang welt matul mgas pasudlo ademay makaing seorti albulo. Rangalgil amni adar telwang Paules along ra Senate President Hokons Paules mgas pasudlo ademay makaing seorti albulo. Ebida klay modet Paules marangalgil rangalgil akigrel dil gigi anson ginaged Robert ngirablogong marbibiringi Cleo ngirgiklang kang its, former President Chanson Toribong, Spice Valentino ngirgiklang, rangalgil amneya Daniel ngirokabay, Buik Spice Chairman Daniel, Rachel Katamangang marangalgil, rangalgil Pastor Mukogil Solomon, rangalgil Arbo Oraidong Yoel Toribong, Obakaradapkar Clarence Kitalong, Mary Goldiob, Akikarel Tadib Timothy Ngirdimaw, Dira Maring Alidub Siksay marangalgil, Dira ay tinagiulul, padul melwat talay marangalgib, tulay sa baltakada. Ngaramlungoy akiol ngit rakal ngira sibong lakis malsol, maudam ramayreng malsol, mkas puso de may nakaingi seurti albul. Rangalgila rakit sulial, rungura mawang William ngiragalaw marbibinakaw, rangalgila France ginam katira dilyaw manginam kati France, mkas puso de may nakaingi seurti albul. Kat pangagim subra rideb o kadati itong, mkas puso dra de may nakaingi sew. Rigel rablud marangalgem, ening klolad marangalgem, hasintang itong marbibinakaw, rangalgila mlew eldigis alad rablud, malins ngiru marang ngiraged marangalgem, mkas puso dra adad marangalgem may nakaingi seurti albul. Ay mali kagil turor kalo kalaw sermong marmar katamin mga South Junior, bagi malturor kami yung merigel kwal mga sumam. Orior ay gimsub dara wadal adang kami Anderson marangalgel, rayong al Benjamin yob, at yung Lius Moses yob, isaw na mga saw kami itatong madilmer ng algem maging kanyang seorti albula. Aleos yaw, kadili kami itatong madilmer ng algem maging kanyang seorti albula. Dilwang amra e Paules, wadal at tutog nilan mau marbibirakaw, adal barang atibang Ephraim ngira ite, moso dara bibirakaw, Teodosia yu Patrick, Josephine ulang ong iraboy, mkas pusub dara adem maging kanyang seorti albula. Serafina de belbot sa ato marangalgem, rangalgela aleduy omaliak, mkas pusub de may nakaingisew. Sariang Olal Warswick marangalgel, rangalgel Orange Pedro, Sarah Conway Sketh, rangalgel Sunday Ilek, kung kaspasubtro ade may nakaingisew tial bulo. Rangalgel amli daladra ilong isaw, malin sato marangalgem, Deborah Toribiong, Rodiang Toribiong Smus, Nanumi Toribiong, Chewin Wirmas, Rosemary Joseph, Marie Ray Blunt, rangalgel Tiana Talay Rubas, rangalgel Hasimet Talay, Rangalgela Carmelong Ralul Radeliget Mangor Marbibira Kamiu, Rangalgela Rium the Narulib Anginino, pero ni kang inaibay ma Fermina isida, Sheila sa kumama Marbibirao, Apolonia Siprit Augustin, Gaspuso de la Ademim the Kang Sertel Bul, Rangalgela Hiromir Dial, Rangalgela Katsue, Sali Keldung Juanita Obiang Marbibirao, Rosan Kirsi Andrum, Gaspuso de la Ademim the Kang Sertel Bul, Tirat Ngir Rose Musu, the Speaker of our State Legislature, Elsa Oas, Marangalgiu, Ngira Mariang Alexander Ramsik Marangalgel, Alexis Ramsik Marangalgel, Pastor Balgo Sandario, Ngira Oteot Eliaya o Marabibirgao, Rangalgelam Lerungu Luel o Ips Armidal, William Siprit Marabibirgao, Reymus Ngir Maat, Gaspuso the Mame the Kangisir Telbul. Paliliwagim subra Rangalgela Calibra Coseba, Mainaria, Maradadra de Delil, Rangalgelam Neu El Ol, Raiting Madris, Gaspuso the Mame the Kangisir Telbul. Tirgel no diga lobas ang clear madingel bokawad irong si tial sudra kamaldilel malda dura buik pelau bungirang asil kas pusude may mga sutrira rangalgel marbibiringir tial ulbong al sungul makamaldil malda du adi morngira Friday long imluriol January 16 2026 lo mura 9:30 am abaldo la todra 12:30 pm el mudakkar ngaptu ngarang rusar ablu rai ha mungul maklap kalm odang sa muradama del Dios el ngi o makaltangat mas ba kargidra bekal sils Kom malmusulang, saya na iat spoons takada.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul de suel adias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul top deringi e haraorngi, koh malmusulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz Apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Gurmid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali ngariya malor udu subde de hatemem mera radio station mada gulngit mamay gim sukaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya a cell phone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk ngomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub ke sendringi loya ka email mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice sendringi le porkau ya uriul ega meharau ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba nganya harma raspedem ya ki call segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek kimru raspedem ko mal mesulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, We drink it too because you know why? It's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarapuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, #1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
More protests against ICE. I'm Kathleen Maloney, Fox News. Reaction continues to the ICE killing of a woman in Minneapolis. Fox's Garrett Tenney with the latest.
It seems like each day now we are getting new video surrounding last week's shooting that gives a more full picture of what happened leading up to it. New video shot from a person's cell phone along the side of the street around that shooting shows Renee Good using her car to block federal agents for more than 3 minutes before the fatal encounter. At one point, you can see her dancing in the driver's seat as she honks her horn. The video cuts off right before the shooting, but federal officials have told us this is the kind of thing that Good had been doing throughout the morning. And even after this week's deadly encounter, it is a tactic activists are continuing to use to disrupt federal agents, both here and across the country.
The Department of Homeland Security holding to its claim that Renee Good tried to weaponize her vehicle to strike ICE officials, though critics deny that claim. Demonstrations also taking place in New York City.
We are in an iconic area of the city. The Plaza Hotel is right here. Central Park is across the street. So what does this mean? Well, it means not only are New Yorkers going to watch this unfold, so are a lot of tourists. The group behind last year's No Kings movement appears to be an organizer. Many people here are carrying signs calling for ICE to be abolished or expressing anger towards the Trump administration. Just to read a few, I'm seeing one sign that says Trump must go now. Another that reads ICE must go.
Fox's CB Cotton. A crackdown on nationwide protests in Iran has killed over 500 people and even more are feared dead. This according to activists. Tehran warning that the U.S. military and Israel would be legitimate targets if America uses force to protect demonstrators. America's listening to Fox News. The U.S. launching a strike on ISIS forces in Syria for the second time in less than a month. Fox's Lucas Tomlinson with the latest from West Palm Beach.
U.S. Central Command released a video showing the strikes. It looks like it followed a similar pattern to the strikes we saw on December 19th. An A-10 Warthog rolling down the strip along with F-15E Strike Eagles carrying out these strikes against ISIS. According to U.S. Central Command, the strikes were widespread across Syria. They included partner forces. It's not clear if that means Syrian forces that the U.S. had partnered with against ISIS or Jordan.
The targeting of ISIS in Syria is in response to the killing of 2 Iowa National Guard soldiers and their American interpreter by an ISIS gunman. A Chicago surgeon in custody after allegedly murdering his ex-wife and her husband. Fox's Dana Marie McNichols with details.
Law enforcement searched for a killer for almost 2 weeks, and now the investigation has led them to that ex-husband, who police say used his own car to drive to the murder scene. So here's what we know about 39-year-old Michael David McKee. He is a vascular surgeon from Chicago. He's now in jail accused of murdering his ex-wife, Monique Tepe, and dentist husband, Spencer Tepe, in their Columbus home. Now, McKee and Tepe was married in 2015 until she filed for divorce in 2017, which appeared to be amicable, according to local reports. They had no kids together.
The couple's 2 young children were in the home during the attack, but were unharmed. A suspect is in custody after an apparent arson attack set a Mississippi synagogue on fire. Authorities say flames broke out at Beth Israel congregation in Jackson, the state's largest synagogue. Several Torahs were destroyed, but one that survived the Holocaust was undamaged. Nobody was injured in the fire. I'm Kathleen Maloney. This is Fox News.